Car Story research indicates this vehicle as rare to see this model for sale in your area. Features also include MP3, rear heated seats, ventilated seats, panoramic sunroof. Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Cadenza. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, panoramic sunroof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, premium sound system.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.